What up, Soul Tribe? Happy Friday! All right, we made it to 2026, and guess what? Boom! First up, we got a Wolf Supermoon rolling in. It's going to be peak at 5 a.m. tomorrow, but if you've seen that bad boy yesterday, it was shining bright. And I'm not here to throw glitter on it. I'm here to tell you what it does to people who can actually really feel the shifts. So remember though, we show love at the end. Wait till midway to start tapping on buttons because we both get graded on how we interact here. Let's get gold stars in 2026, please. Let's get into this wolf energy. It pulls the animal truth out of you. The part of you that just knows when something's off, even your mind, when your mind tries to fucking negotiate it. With a supermoon, the volume gets turned all the way up. Intuition is screaming, emotions right at the surface. Clarity, you can't unsee. This is where the pretending snaps. People you've outgrown will fucking glitch. Situations you were tolerating will suddenly feel impossible. Your body will tap you on the shoulder and say, yeah, we're not doing that anymore. Wolf energy does a few specific things. Pulls the lone wolf out of hiding. Activates leadership without the ego cosplay. Upgrades boundaries without, a fucking apology paragraph. Makes breadcrumb dynamic feel physically nauseating at this point. You may notice heavy dreams, sudden endings, wanting to clean, dump, delete, donate, block. Your system straight up rejecting anything that shrinks you. Remember, we broke out of the fucking cage. This is you remembering who you were before you started diluting yourself to be palatable. If you want to purge some energy, keep it simple. The frequency is loud enough. Take a nice salt bath or a foot soak. Write what you're done chasing. Write what you actually are when you're not performing. Who are you when you're not performing? The true you. Rip it and burn it. That's it. No theatrics, just truth. And the core of this moon, stop howling at doors that were never meant to open. Call your energy the fuck back and lead from your chest. Wolf energy to clear the last of the fucking static out the way. Because you know how full moons work around here. It's like the wrecking crew coming doing, the last final sweep. Just like, after New Year's Eve. All the confetti on the floor, all the dust and, debris. Sweep the fuck out of here. If you made it this far, show some love. 303, what's up, Dad? On that note, someone asked me what 303 and Dad and 313, which had just turned 313. He passed away March 1st, 2003. So when I started seeing 313 a lot, I didn't know. I kept questioning, what the hell is this for? And then I started seeing 303, both together. I kept questioning, and then it freaking dawned on me, 333 on that timer, what it meant. So whenever I see it, I acknowledge my dad. But also 313 is Hecate energy. So when that 313 shows up, crossroads, Hecate is here, means a decision needs to be made. So someone out in that collective, if spirit source is asking you to somebody, something, a habit, whatever, trust me, let it go, because 2026 ain't fucking playing. If shit felt miserable last year, if you're not letting go the things that you should be letting go, it's gonna feel like real sandpaper on you. 407, 47, right there. On that note, I'm just gonna end this one. Come back for more.